My name is Steve. I've been working at MORryde for almost a year now. The department I work in is the MIG welding department. A lot of our welding is with fixtures. So when we go in day to day, we get orders. Our material handler normally has everything set up. Our jigs are in place. We go in, make sure we log into the orders, and we set up. We'll run one piece, we'll have quality check it, and then as we go through the order, we're checking for quality, we're making sure our welds are consistent, and that the parts are still in good order and done efficiently. The things I like most about working at MORryde would be, the comfortable atmosphere, the staff, the employees. You really get along with everybody. Everybody works together real well, and if there's issues, you're able to talk to them and get everything figured out. To have that kind of atmosphere or culture at a job is very important. It brings different qualities and aspects out of people that, other places wouldn't. For the MIG welding department, a good, traits or qualities would be, a good attitude, being able to work with others, make sure you can read the weld specifications on the blueprints, read a tape measure, and have a good basic understanding of working in the type of environment of fixture welding, and not really fast-paced, but a steady-paced work environment. And you don't have to worry about not being appreciated. The work you do and the attitude you have is noticed and greatly appreciated, and your supervisors will let you know. Everybody communicates, everybody gets along, and it's just a great place to be. We are like family, and everybody cares about each other.